Hello students, in the previous videos we studied about mitosis, that is equational division. Now we are going to start with meiosis. Okay, meiosis is a double division. Meiosis is a double division and this meiosis occurs in diploid reproductive cells. Double division because it involves two divisions, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. And it occurs in diploid reproductive cells. Diploid cells which are reproductive cells. Diploid reproductive cells. And the cell that undergoes meiosis, is called as meiocyte. So a meiocyte, after undergoing meiosis, it results in the formation of 4 daughter cells. So let's say this is a parent cell or meiocyte that undergoes meiosis. After meiosis, it results in the formation of 4 daughter cells. 4 daughter cells. These 4 daughter cells are with half the number of chromosomes when compared with the parent cell. Let's say the cell which is undergoing this meiosis is diploid and it is with 20 chromosomes. 20 chromosomes. This cell undergoes meiosis 1. By the end of meiosis 1, 2 daughter cells are formed and each daughter cell is haploid and each daughter cell consists of 10 chromosomes. Now these 2 daughter cells enter into meiosis 2 and by the end of meiosis 2, it results in the formation of totally 4 daughter cells, where each daughter cell is haploid and the number of chromosomes present in each daughter cell is 10. So in each daughter cell, by the end of meiosis, the number of chromosomes are reduced to half and even ploidy is reduced to half, that of the parent cell when compared with the parent cell. Hence meiosis is also called as reduction division. Hence meiosis is also called as reduction division, as the number of chromosomes are reduced to half that of the parent cell. It is called as reduction division. Okay. So now this term meiosis is given by, Farmer and Moore. Farmer and Moore. The details of meiosis is explained. The details of meiosis is explained by 4 scientists. They are Benedin, Sutton, Strasburger and Winnie Water. Okay. Now let's start with different types of meiosis. Types of meiosis. Meiosis is of 3 different types. They are initial meiosis or zygotic meiosis. Initial or zygotic meiosis. Second type is intermediate or sporic meiosis. Intermediate or sporic meiosis. And next type is terminal or gametic meiosis. Terminal or gametic meiosis. Gametic meiosis. Okay. Initial meiosis or zygotic meiosis. This is the meiosis which occurs in zygote. Zygote. We know after fertilization of 2 gametes, male and female gametes, it results in the formation of a diploid structure called zygote. So this is diploid zygote. This diploid zygote undergoes meiosis and results in the formation of 4 haploid spores. 4 haploid spores. All these spores are haploid. Okay, so this is called zygotic meiosis. This zygotic meiosis occurs in lower plants like algae. So most of the algae exhibit zygotic meiosis. So zygotic meiosis or initial meiosis occurs in lower plants like algae that exhibit haplontic life cycle. Haplontic life cycle. Okay, next coming to intermediate or sporic meiosis. Okay, intermediate or sporic meiosis occurs in spore mother cells, diploid spore mother cells. Diploid spore mother cells. These diploid spore mother cells are of two types. They can be of two types. They are microspore mother cells, and megaspore mother cells. Mother cells and megaspore mother cells. Megaspore mother cells. So when a microspore mother cell is diploid. When a microspore mother cell is undergoing meiosis, it results in the formation of 4 microspores. 4 microspores are formed. 4 microspores. So these microspores are haploid. Next coming to megaspore mother cell. When the megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis, it also results in the formation of 4 megaspores or large sized spores. Megaspores. Okay, this type of meiosis occurs in plants like bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, which exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle and diplontic life cycle. So this type of meiosis occurs in bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Which exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle and diplontic life cycle. Among all these different groups of plants, bryophytes and pteridophytes exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle, whereas gymnosperms and angiosperms exhibit diplontic life cycle. Next coming to third type of meiosis, that is terminal meiosis or gametic meiosis. So terminal meiosis or gametic meiosis occurs in animal cells, that too diploid reproductive cells present in animals. So spermatocytes. It occurs in spermatocytes and oocytes. So spermatocytes undergo meiosis. Spermatocyte is diploid. Oocyte is also diploid reproductive cell. Undergoes meiosis and results in the formation of 4 haploid sperms or haploid male gametes. 4 haploid sperms. So these are sperms. Oocyte undergoes meiosis resulting in the formation of ova or female gametes or egg cells. So the sperm and egg fuses together again to form zygote. So this type of meiosis occurs in animal cells which exhibit diplontic life cycle. So this is all about different types of meiosis which occurs in different types of plants and animals. In the next video, I will be explaining about homologous chromosomes. Thank you, students.